Hello and welcome to MFA 700, module number 8, which is called Thickening the Stew. Stew. Looking at the learning objectives. This is a very typical module for this class. It follows the same pattern as we've done for many of the modules. There are no additional assignments aside from just submitting your work if it is your turn. Module at a glance. Again, just read that through. Read-ins and resources. The focusing is on subplots, storylines, and secondary characters. We're really going to focus heavy on secondary characters in the additional information. For the module overview, one thing that I want to point out is to make a novel better, we need to add the right ingredients. Sometimes we can bog it down with too many ingredients, or sometimes it can be too weak because we haven't added enough. And one way to add the right ingredients is to make sure we have interesting secondary characters. You can read through the rest of the module overview at your leisure. There will be an additional resource which I will post in the announcement. Please watch these. I take time and effort to create them and try to keep them interesting and relevant. Thank you. 8-2 is once again where you can post work for your fellow classmates and you can workshop it with them. The other optional thing that we'll be doing is one of these discussions where you can answer this. Go ahead and just read through this. It talks about secondary characters and what I like to call as signposts. So just consider that. Finally, if it's your turn to submit thesis part 2, this is where you do it. And that will bring us to module 9 next week. And there you go.